Hi again. I've been at this for a good bit of time now. I went over the circuit board, checked the, make sure I wired up right basically, checked the soldering. I did correct some of the soldering on the pots. They now exactly replicate the picture. I've checked the connections of the little white plugs there. I made sure all of them had full continuity and ohms reading. Pretty much one and the same thing. I did a check over the board itself. I did a current check on the coils. I've now modified the rotor to include both north and south facing magnets. I've had in the past where the circuit wouldn't run on this side of the coil, but it would run on that side of the coil, and the way to get around it is to have both sides of the magnets on the one side, because obviously I can't have anything running down that way. Still no luck. It's still not running. There's no sparks. There's no problem with the circuit board. It is all wired up right and all working. But there's also no problem with the drive coil, trigger wire, or run wire, which I've now set in series with the crocodile clip to see if that would help. Again, nothing. Obviously now I've made that modification with the rotor, so I've pretty much gone across the board. I was thinking of, damn it, I was thinking of something just. Oh yeah, that was it. Again, all this works out. So what I'm actually going to do is, I'm thinking about how to say what I'm going to say, but it's obvious. I'm just going to build a new trigger coil. That's it. That's the only thing that I can do, because everything here is working, but nothing's firing because it's just not picking it up. Both pots are adjusted to basically, you know, they might as well not be there, fully open as it was. I mean, that's the only thing that I can think of, regardless of the steel rods that I have in there. Now you can see them. There you go. Regardless of them, it's just not picking up enough current and voltage to trigger the circuit. It purely must be that. And I'm casting my mind back to some of the earlier designs where I had more magnets, bigger rotors and such, and even they were a bit of an effort to get started. So this one with, yeah, it's basically half or quarter the amount I would have used originally. It's got to be that. That's the actual only, excuse me, that's the only variant that I've gone by. And that's it. So I'm going to build myself a new trigger coil. I'm not going to rebuild this, screw that. I'm just going to build it in an individual trigger coil and just have it simply mounted, let's say, up there. Sorry about the light, but up the top, so it's still in line with north-south. Sorry, north-north, and then south-south. So it still runs. Okay then, see you guys later.